It's a challenge to keep your audience engaged in the fast-paced world that we live in today. That's why storytelling is crucial to getting people's attention and making them buy or schedule an appointment. Attention spans are shorter than ever now. As a business owner, you've got to really connect with customers and clients. Using storytelling to make your audience feel something and remember your brand is very, very powerful. Crafting a compelling story means understanding your audience, using emotion, being authentic, keeping it simple, and using visuals. The first thing you need to know is your audience. Find out what they like, what they dislike, and most importantly, what their pain points are. And then you can tell them a story that really resonates with them. Use emotion by evoking a specific feeling in your audience and stay true to your brand values to build trust. Storytelling is all about simplicity. So keep it easy to understand and use visuals to make your story come to life. You'll create a story that makes your company and brand stand out in a crowded market. Think about it like this. Instead of just stating facts about your product or service, create an emotional story about how it can help customers solve a problem and tell it in a way that resonates specifically with the audience that you're trying to reach. So start crafting your story today and watch your audience engagement soar.
Looking to make yourself a top authority in your field? Try creating an Expertgram. By showcasing your knowledge and expertise through video, you'll boost your brand, increase your website conversions, and reach a wider audience. In a market where everything's crowded, Expertgrams can help you stand out. We hope you enjoyed this episode. You can find out more about the benefits of creating an Expertgram by calling 518-396-5885 or visiting the link in the description below.